Hey folks, how y'all doing this morning? I'm heading out here on a piece of public ground. I ain't been on this part of it before. I'm gonna see if I can get on a few squirrels and see if I can find a few deer trails, scout for deer season a little bit. Got my old Mossberg with me. See if I can get on a few squirrels here. I'll keep y'all updated. Well guys, I got the first squirrel down right here. I've seen a little bit of deer trails, but nothing really too promising to be honest with you. But I'm gonna keep on going further in here on this public land, see if I can get on some more squirrels and maybe find some deer trails, maybe some early rubs, who knows. I'll let y'all look at this squirrel. He's a pretty good sized fella. Well guys, I did end up spooking a deer just now. It was a doe. I don't know how many of them there was, but I know one of them was blowing, so that's a good sign. There's some deer in here. Maybe I can bring my bow back in here soon, get that going. I'm gonna start looping back around here and head back out to the vehicle, I guess. And maybe I might get some squirrels on the way out, who knows. Well guys, I'm back here at the house and I got out of that public land up there. I did only end up getting one squirrel, but I still call that a successful hunt. I seen some deer in there, seen a few deer trails. On my way up there, I seen a few turkeys crossing the road. So I'd say it's a pretty successful hunt. I want to thank y'all for watching this video today. I'm going to be putting out some bow hunting videos, some more squirrel hunting videos here soon. So y'all be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see it. Think about that, baby. You'll be
what do you think?
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, and whiskers.